Hi everyone, and we're back escaping to that dream house. We're still escaping, folks. Today I need to patch in and see if we can get the bathroom sorted in terms of the old holes, block those up, and hopefully Matthew, who was supposedly getting up 4 hours ago to come and do various things, chasing the walls out for the cables and stuff. He was meant to be doing that. He was up super early, but no sign of him yet. There you go. He's going to do that. He's going to chase out walls. We're going to still run the cable, get that up, but we got some of those bath panels. You know, the ones that are big, sort of fake tile panels. The walls are so uneven, it's so hard to get a level, and my tiling is basically worse than, well, I mean, it's really just a collection of things I'm pretty average at, but that one less so. I don't enjoy tiling at all, so these things, I'm going to have a go with these panels and see if we can do it a bit quicker, get a much better finish, and all the rest of it. They're coming tomorrow or the day after, so I want to make sure that the walls, the pipes, and everything else is okay. So I'm going to be doing that. Matthew's going to be chasing out, and we'll see how we get on. All right, let's go do it. I'm just going to show you what's in here so you can get an idea. So essentially they sort of smash things away. There is a bit of a cavity, but there's nothing in it apart from broken glass bottles and what have you. But that's what we're going to try and brick up now and make good. That's what it was filled with, just rubbish. So there we go, bit of a hole to fill. Let's get on.